How to create a 2 by 2 image with Canva. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be a very straightforward and easy tutorial on how to create your 2 by 2 image using Canva. Now, it's going to be very simple and easy to do. And not only 2 by 2, but you can just go ahead and create any custom size image that you would like. And I will show you exactly how to do so right now. So the first step is obviously just go ahead and go to canva.com. If you don't have an account already, just go ahead and create one. It is for free, so you don't really have to pay anything for it. And then from here, you can just go ahead and start creating your designs. Okay, so to create a design 2 by 2 specifically, you would want to go to the top right of your corner where you will find create a design right next to your profile picture here. So just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you will find a lot of different options to choose from, like this doc, one video, and so on. But we just want to skip all of this. Go to the bottom of this list, and you will find custom size here. So just go ahead and click on custom size. And if you notice, right away, the units is going to be pixels here, and we want to change that to become inches. This way, we can just go ahead and create our 2 by 2. So just go ahead and make sure you change this. So just click on the down arrow here and just select the inches option. Great. So now that we have the inches option here, we would want to just add the number 2 here and number 2 over here at the width and height. And now we have the option to just click on create a new design. So from here, you would want to just go ahead and click on create a new design, and we should be good to go. Here we have our canvas, which is 2 by 2, and we can just go ahead and start adding the elements that we want. Whatever we want, we can just go ahead and start adding it. In here, we can start adding some text and so on. So if you want to add some elements from within your personal computer, you would want to just go to the upload section on the left panel here. And if you have uploaded anything, it's going to show up here. Or you can just go ahead and click on upload files. And then you're just going to select the files that you want to upload. I'm just going to use this color one. Let me just use this red one, for example. So just go ahead and select the image that you would want to have. And we can just either drag and drop and have it in here, or we can just go ahead and click on it. And then from here, we can just go ahead and do anything that we would like. We can just adjust it to our liking. We can adjust it so that it is matching exactly the frames of the 2 by 2 image here. We can also set it as background, which is going to be a lot easier to make sure that it is exactly the same size. And we can even add more elements to it. So we can again just upload files, and maybe I will upload this text thing, which I already have. I didn't even see that. And we can just go ahead and add it to our image here, and just go ahead and adjust it to your liking. And once you're happy with your image, you can just click on the share option on the top right and just download it as it is, whether it's going to be PNG, JPEG, or whatever it may be that you want to download, and just click on download. With that being said, this is pretty much how to create a 2 by 2 image with Canva. Hopefully this was easy to follow, and thanks for watching.